Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make coleslaw mayonnaise. We will begin by gathering our essential ingredients, ensuring they are all at room temperature. This crucial step helps achieve a smooth, stable emulsion. You will need 1 large egg yolk, 1 cup of neutral oil, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Have your food processor or immersion blender ready to go for the upcoming steps. Now let's master the emulsification. With your egg yolk and vinegar in the blender, begin to slowly drizzle in 1 cup of neutral oil, like canola or grapeseed. The key is a very thin, consistent stream. You will notice the mixture gradually thickening into a creamy mayonnaise. Patience here is vital to prevent the emulsion from separating, ensuring a perfect texture. With your mayonnaise base ready, it is time to perfect the flavor profile. Add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar for a bright, tangy note that complements coleslaw beautifully. Next, stir in 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, which adds a lovely depth. Finally, season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper to taste. To ensure your delicious homemade coleslaw mayonnaise stays fresh, proper storage is essential. Transfer it to an airtight container immediately after preparation. Refrigerate the mayonnaise, and it will remain fresh for up to 5 days. Always use a clean spoon when serving to prevent any contamination, which helps maintain its quality and extends its shelf life for your next meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.